Now, moving on to our next story, solar energy, wind power, and other renewable energy sectors have made a sharp growth in the last 3 years, according to recent data. The renewable energy industry is expected to extend its growth into this year, as the solar energy market is forecast to expand along with exports of wind power systems. We have more in our next story. According to a recent report, the renewable energy industry has risen at a sharp rate in the last few years. Following the Ministry of Knowledge Economy, in the last 3 years, the number of companies in the renewable energy sector made a 2.2-fold increase, while the number of new employees was up by 3.6 times. Revenue made a 6.5-fold surge, while exports jumped 5.9 times and private investments soared by 5-fold. With the renewable energy sectors, the growth of the solar energy and the wind power industry was particularly high. The number of manufacturing companies in the solar energy sector rose 3.2 times in the last 3 years, while the number of new employees in the arena showed a 7.4-fold jump, and the amount of exports skyrocketed by 21.4 times. The surge is attributed to the completion of local industry value chains, intense public-private investment, and the continuing expansion of the global solar energy market. The wind power industry also saw a 39% increase in the number of manufacturing companies in the last 3 years, while their combined revenues jumped 88%. But due to the contraction in the global wind power industry and the sudden rise in Chinese companies, the local wind power industry underperformed last year. The Ministry of Knowledge Economy plans to funnel over 1 trillion won this year in the renewable energy sector in a bid to nurture the industry as a new growth engine.
금년에는 이제 특이하게 사업화의 어려움을 겪고 있는 신재생 에너지 중소 중견기업에 대한 지원을 위해서 신재생 에너지 테스트 베드 구축 사업에 200억 원을 신규로 지원할 계획이고요. 그다음에 신재생 에너지 수출을 보다 촉진하기 위해서 해외 진출 지원 사업에 90억 원을 신규로 지원할 계획에 있습니다.
Driven by the government's support, coupled with the expansion of the solar energy market and exports of wind power systems, the renewable energy sector is forecast to increase new jobs by 28% and raise exports by 84%.